next. Hi po sa ating 16 viewers, guys. Pati na rin sa ating, FB viewers. Hi po, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. And another song. Gaganda nila eh. Ay, ako? Sige, here we go. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. You kept me down, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my eyes. Just one look and I can hear my ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My mind, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, doesn't show again. My mind, just so much I missed you. Yeah, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My mind, I can never let you go. Mamma Mia, now I really know. My mind, I can never let you go. Ayan. Wala pa tuloy. Ate Pretty, handa ka na ba? Handa ka na ba for the... Yeah, gusto namin. Wala pa nga ako regular, Kuya Mike. Gusto ko rin, Kuya Mike. Pero feeling ko gusto ko ng gabi. Ay, yay! Thank you, Kuya Mike. Ano bang, ano, sked? Meeting tayo ngayon. Ganito. Okay. Mag-on cam kayo, ay mag-unmute kayo guys para may pag-usapan. Tuesday, okay, Tuesday, every Tuesday, 8 to 10 ba? 8 to 10 ba Kuya Mike? Gusto mo 8 to 12, pwede din. Depende. Okay. Very nice, setup. Ganda kasi ni Ate Pretty, kaya nga pala tinawag siyang Pretty. Kaya pala, ay, yan, ngayon ko lang nag-gets. Sureness? Sige. Kaya pa naman sa lalamunan Kuya Mike. Ayan, okay. Ate Pretty, handa ka na ba? Yeah. Let's go, Ate Pretty! Ikaw na po.